Invicta Men's Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch. The Invicta Men's Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch is a remarkable timepiece that combines style, functionality, and reliability. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this watch is a standout choice for anyone seeking a high-quality timekeeping accessory. One of the standout features of this watch is its automatic movement. Powered by the natural motion of the wrist, the watch requires no battery replacement, making it an eco-friendly and convenient choice. The accurate and precise automatic movement ensures that you always have the correct time at your fingertips. Designed with attention to detail, this timepiece boasts a sleek and timeless design. The stainless steel case and bracelet add a touch of elegance, while the black dial with luminous hands and markers ensures optimal visibility, even in low-light conditions.
With a bestseller rank of #16, 917 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry, it is clear that this watch has resonated with a wide range of customers. Its combination of style, functionality, and reliability makes it a popular choice among watch enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The Invicta Men's Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch embodies the essence of a high-quality timepiece. Its automatic movement, elegant design, and durability make it a standout choice in the world of watches.